UP opens cutting-edge genome research center. Bioinformatics services, DNA sequencing, cutting-edge health and environmental research. All of these are now a reality at the University of the Philippine Genome Center. Founded in 2009, the PGC aims to be a center of excellence in gene discovery and genomics research. It combines mathematics, science, technology, and statistics to study living things at a molecular level. The concept of millennia, or simply millennia, is a concept for a vertical takeoff and landing. This ultralight aircraft was developed by Kix Mendiola, a Filipino drone enthusiast. Mendiola, who taught himself engineering and aircraft design. He named a deteriorating traffic situation in Metro Manila as a motivator in developing the millennia, and envisioned people flying to their destination in minutes, instead them spending 2 to 3 hours riding traditional road transport. Jaime Navarro invented fuel from plastic trash bags. Assorted plastics are first shredded into evenly sized pieces and are put into an agglomeration chamber. 5,000 kilos of contaminated plastic can be converted to 400 liters of diesel and gasoline fuel oil. The machine was built in Bacolod. The process was a success that they brought it to DOE and DOST for analysis. It was tested and it is said to contain all the basic properties of fuel, and even has lower sulfur content. It is clean and environmental friendly. Salamander Amphibious Tricycle. The Salamander Amphibious Trike is Lave's latest creation. He made this in partnership with a new company called H2O Technologies, developing it in particular with the firm's technical head, Lamberto Armada. Because it is amphibious, the Salamander can travel both on land and in water. It stemmed from Lave's desire to do something really useful for the benefit of his countrymen. That it is wished to put the Philippines on the global automotive map. I want to show the world that the Filipino can, Lave said. Philippine microsatellite, Diwata-1, and Diwata-2. Diwata-2 takes advantage of radio communication technology by carrying an amateur radio payload for disaster relief purposes. It means you can make call and text during disaster. Link in the description on how to access satellite amateur radio and tracking Diwata-2. Tala, a hybrid rocket made by Filipino high school students. These days, when most people hear the word Tala, they usually think of a viral dance challenge, or the Filipino word for a bright star. Unbeknownst to the general public, a team of senior high school students outside of Metro Manila has been working on a different kind of Tala for over a year now. This one isn't a star, but is certainly no less bright. A pioneering rocket project supervised by Philippine government agencies. The Tala team includes students and mentors from St. Cecilia's College Cebu Incorporated. Touted as the first ever civilian high-powered hybrid rocket in the Philippines, the Tala project is supervised by the Department of Science and Technology. According to Perdorla, this project is in line with DOST space technology applications through harmonized national R&D agenda. With this technology, we will be able to develop our very own rocket, to launch our own satellite, and also develop our very own ballistic missile, just like in the time of Marcos. The Bongbong 1 rocket was a Philippine liquid propellant rocket, developed under Project Santa Barbara. The rocket was an experimental system developed by the Philippine Navy and a group of scientists that could range up to 25 to 50 kilometers. We could be the same as Western nations, with missiles and satellites of our own if this technology will mature. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more knowledge-umatic video.